Hi, my name is Rigita and I work for TC Group Payroll Department. Today we're gonna talk about benefits in kind, or shortened BIKs. Benefits in kind are any extras you provide to employees which are non-cash value. It could be anything from your company car or health insurance or any other extras that is not part of their wages or salaries. There will be a mandatory changes from April 2026, where the HMRC has announced that all benefits will have to be payrolled, apart from few, which mainly is accommodation and loans. Some of the most common taxable benefits in kind are company cars, private medical insurance, private dental insurance, gym memberships, and health cash plan. There are some exceptions, which are for low interest rate loans, as well as some accommodations. So the advantages of payrolling your benefits in kind: there would be fewer forms to complete at the end of the year. Also, there will be a fewer tax code changes, as well as this more up-to-date code and up-to-date deductions. This will ensure that all the tax deductions are more accurate and in real time rather than a year behind. This will make the cash flow management a lot easier for employers. Also, it will help with year-end reporting. There will be some disadvantages with payrolling your benefits in kind. The main disadvantage may be for the first year or so, where the employees will have to pay slightly higher tax just because they're catching up with their prior year's P11D adjustment, also as current year's benefit in kind. You still will have to submit the P11DB form as well as your payrolling benefits. Employers should consider payrolling the benefits in kind slightly earlier, from April 2025, to ensure they are ahead of curve, they are well prepared for the changes once they do come as a mandatory. You will need to ensure that you have the latest software version that has ability to process your benefits in kind and submit to HMRC. Employers need to be aware that they should inform the employees before they're registering and starting to payroll their benefit in kind, that employees will notice a change or may notice a change in their tax codes. For new starters and leavers, there should be a further consideration of any benefits in kind they are due to receive. At this time as well, it would be a perfect opportunity to consider what benefits in kind you have currently, what benefits in kind you may like to use in the future. So, why should employers consider outsourcing their payroll? It will save you time and resource to focus on the core of your business. It's more accurate and compliant. There are no additional costs to employer for using a software. Also, there are all year round guaranteed cover for the employer. If you have any further questions or would like a free consultation, please let us know and we will be happy to help. Thank you for listening.